Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a return of a clothing subscription box and it is all to do with nightwear, and this is Jarmabox. Gorgeous marbled box. So if you're new to Jarmabox, I will just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their July subscription, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Jarmabox was kindly sent to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. You will find links to the subscription and links to their website if you want to take a look on their online store, etc. down in my description. Plus they've given me 2 codes to share with you. We've got an option of a discount or a freebie. If you want to go for the discount, you will receive 10% off your first box, whether that's monthly or bi-monthly subscription box, and that is Diary 10. Or for an extra added freebie, if you use code DIARYEXTRA, then you will receive a freebie with your first subscription box, or a one-off box if you just want to try. This is a UK only subscription and the cost of the box is £27.99 a month, and that includes shipping. If you'd like to opt for personalisation on your pajamas, then that's an additional £2, so that'll bring it to £29.99 a month. You can cancel anytime, you can pause, and you can skip as well. They do monthly and bi-monthly subscriptions. To receive this box, you've got from the 1st of the month until the very last date of the month, unless they've sold out. If you're watching this in August and you're thinking, oh, I really wish I could have gone for that box, they do sell past boxes on their website, and I'll pop a link down in the description, so then it'll take you to the area where they do that. They come in UK sizes, size 8 to 22, and they are hoping to work to produce petite and tall ranges in the future as well. Each box comes with a set of pajamas and 4 beauty treats or self-care treats. Say for instance you receive your pajamas and they do not fit at all, then you have got up to 14 days to arrange an alternative. So I think that's it as far as information goes. So if I've missed anything out, please ask away in the comments. But let's get on to showing you what's inside the July box. You get a card here and it details everything about the products in the box, so I'll refer to this as we go along. There you go. I'll give you a sneak peek first. This is the Sun Kiss Summer edition, and on the back here it gives you a sneak peek for the following month's box. The August box will feature a pink zebra print short set plus 4 fabulous beauty treats. They've got a spoiler here. This is a Pore Correct Velvet Cream by Figs and Rouge, and the recommended retail price is £35. So in every box you'll receive one of those. Yeah, so let's do the beauty products first and I'll show you the pajamas at the end. So first up, we've got something for the hair. This is We Are Paradox Volume Blow Dry Spray. It says white nettle for ultimate volume, and there's 100 mils here. I know this is a volume spray, I'm just spraying it into the air, but I'm just curious, I just want to sniff everything. Can't help it. Oh, it does smell nice. It does smell nice. Yeah, it smells really gorgeous. So what can I tell you about it? Powered by white nettle for its ultimate volumizing action, the blow dry primer promises to cut down drying time and lift from the roots to create big, bouncy and beautiful glossy locks in no time. Hops, flower and babusa oil encourage its amplifying effects, whilst cool and peppermint aids root stimulation to awaken tresses from top to toe. The recommended retail price for this spray is £20. That sounds absolutely amazing. It sounds really, really great. Yeah, I can't wait to use that. Then we got a product by Bloom and Blossom. You Glow Girl Performance Body Oil, and we've got 40 mils. Please excuse my dodgy fake tan hands. I got a bit of a fake tan going on, but obviously my hands got the brunt of it. Everything else is lovely, but my hands, especially here, I'm gonna have to try and seek out a tan eraser. I know I've got one somewhere, but I've got to try and try and dissolve the tan from my palms. But yeah, anyway, tone, hydrate and off you glow with the new Bloom and Blossom Performance Body Oil. The formula combines 3 of the best high-performing natural oils, argan, sweet almond and jojoba, to boost skin's elasticity, even out skin tone and give your whole body a radiant glow. And the recommended retail price is £15. Oh, it's really nice. It is really, really nice. This is like a dry oil. That's how it feels. It's leaving my skin super soft. It's not tacky, not sticky, not thick and gloopy oily, you know. That is beautiful. Yeah, just a nice natural smell. Next we've got a facial oil, and this is by Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil, and there's 15 mils here. And I've tried this quite a few times. It is a really nice oil. It's very, very lightweight, so perfect for putting in like moisturizers, putting in foundations, etc. Yeah, really, really nice oil. Even though I don't like rose smelling scents, Moroccan Rose is quite nice. Don't mind Moroccan Rose at all. Yeah, I haven't had one of these for a while now. Oh, it just feels so nice. Yeah, just a light, subtle smell. That is one of the better facial oils out there if you're looking for something that is very, very lightweight and absorbs nicely into your skin. This gorgeous facial oil is packed full of skin enriching minerals and vitamins which all work together to rejuvenate, renew and protect your complexion. Moroccan Rose is a potent source of vitamin A and C plus antioxidants essential for protecting against free radicals. The recommended retail price for this oil is £39.99. And then lastly we have got a pre-glow up mist. Get your skin glow on. This is by Candy Cosmetics, 120ml here. I've got a few different highlighting sprays like this one, but this one for me particularly, I'm not that keen on it. But then saying that, now that I've got a bit of a fake tan going on, it might be quite nice actually, like spraying it on my, oh see, it just feels so nice. It feels so nice. Spraying it on the high points, like my shoulder blades. There. Yeah. Oh, do you love sprays? Do you love sprays as much as me? It's just nice and cooling and fresh, and oh, it just feels amazing. Have I got a bit of a glow on? Can you see? Yeah, you can see a little bit there. So the recommended retail price for this facial spray is £15. It says, in need of a quick glow up, use the Candy Cosmetics pre-glow up mist on bare skin to add a subtle glow, or spritz after you finished your makeup for a gorgeous dewy finish. So yeah, so those are all the beauty products. Now on to the pyjamas. This is what they look like there. Just open them up, I'll just show you. And look, it comes with a headband as well. Yeah, I would use that day to day. I think that is gorgeous. That is so nice. Alright then, so I've got it in size extra large. Now I'm currently a 16 to an 18. I think I told them that I'm more like an 18 these days. I can't remember now. I can't remember, but those are the sizes I tend to wear anyway. And they've put my name, they've put my initials to show you what personalisation. It just looks like Calvin Klein, doesn't it? Calvin Klein knockoff. CK, that's my initials there. It's really cool. They are gorgeous, like satin material, like Hawaiian style shirt. It's button down shirt. I will be trying this on to show you. And yeah, you can see the collar there. That is so nice. That is so, so nice. And then what the shorts like, they are drawstring, which is nice. So how wide can I get them? Yeah, they're really nice and big, really nice and big, so they fit lovely. And yeah, that's the bottom of the shorts there. So a nice length as well. How beautiful are they? Right, I'm just gonna go off, try them on, and then I'll be back. So here's the pyjamas. They are so comfy, really comfy. They're stretchy, which I didn't expect, but yeah, they've got a bit of a stretch to them. The waist fits really nice as well, nice and big, nice and snug. Yeah, the length of the shorts are nice as well, they're longer. I'm a UK size 18, I do fit into some 16s, so if you're interested in this set for yourself, then I suggest sizing up, or if you are in between sizes like what I am, go for the larger one. So here are the pyjamas for July. Ooh. So those are all the items inside this month's Jarmabox. I'm really grateful to Jarmabox for sending this out to me. I absolutely love pyjama subscription boxes. There's not many out there, but I think it's fab. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of Jarmabox? Do you subscribe? Or are you watching this for the first time wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.